G'day guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going fishing. I'll tell you what I mean in a minute. Okay, so I got these two little implements here, and I'm not sure if you've seen these things before, but if you own a splitty, you're going to want to get these. I'm just going to put them on the ground so you can have a look. 1, 2. Now have a look at these things here. One of them has a little push-pull thing on it here, and on the other end it has that little clampy thing. So there you go. Look, there's a washer on the ground right there. Let's see if I can pick it up. Yeah, look at that. Okay, so that's one good one. And then the other one is this one here. And this one's got a magnet on it. Same thing. There's our little washer. Doink. And it picks it up. Now the reason you would want these two tools is what we're going to do today in today's video. I'm going to go fishing because what we're doing here is we're going to install the clip for the fuse box. If you have a look here, you can see that the fuse box is just dangling around in there, and it needs to go into this bracket. And where that little hole is there, right there, is where a little clip goes. And inadvertently, when you're trying to mount that little clip, it falls down the back, which I call the abyss, because if you look down in there, you'll see what I'm talking about. So I'm going to actually put the GoPro down into the abyss. And you can see down in there, that's the abyss. Okay, so what we're going to do, we are going to try and use the magnet one first and see how we go, see if we can fish out this little clip that's fallen down there. And what you can do as well is take a photo with your phone, and that'll kind of tell you where it is, which I probably should do that first so then I'm not just going crazy. But I'm just going to pop it down in the bottom there. Wriggle it around, pull it up and see what we got on the other end, and we got nothing. Okay, so let's try again. Anything? Nope. Okay, so plan B, I'm going to take a photo. I'm going to get my phone, and that hopefully will tell us. Ah, there he is. Look at that. You can see that on the phone. I don't know if you can see that. There. So he's just sitting in the middle there. So we've just got to go a bit further across, and we've got him. I reckon we've got it. Yeah, look at that. There he is. So there you go. That's our fishing. That's our fishing done, and you can see there's the clip. And let's go and put it in. I'll show you how this all works. You got that little hole there, and you've got this little barb part there, and that has to go in behind, right, into the hole like so, and then you push it towards in that direction. Okay, so that's now ready for the fuse box to come back into its position. Now, what I might do here is just put this on. Hopefully that'll work, so you guys can see. Yeah, I think that looks about right. Turn up the, there we go. So then you've got a tab on the side here. You can see there's that little tab. That goes in like so. You can see this part here is on the top of the frame here. And then now it's a matter of just pushing the other side, and hopefully the clip does its thing. Okay, so let's just have a look at this clip in a bit more detail. You can see that part of the clip goes through the hole, and then you've got this other little guy here, which is like a little bump. And if you have a close look at that, it's actually cut away on the other side. Now, that's important because what happens is you've got to slide this guy over the top of the metal, and that little dimple has to clip in. And if it doesn't, you're going to lose the clip. Now, I'll try to show you what I'm talking about on the actual mount up here. You can see there that that goes into the hole, and then you've got to keep pressing it, and you can start to see the dimple showing its little face through the hole, but that has to come outside this part here, and if it doesn't, the clip can just fall out. So it takes a bit of pressure to get it in position. I'm going to actually get some pliers and force it in this direction, and that will lock it into position. Okay, so here you go. You can see the clip in position. Cover goes next, which I have a new little fuse cover, and hopefully that clips into position where it's supposed to go. There you go. Alright, so that's job done for the fuse box. You can see it's all nicely numbered. Make sure your fuses are pointing in the right direction so you can actually see the pieces of sacrificial metal that burn out. Then, you know, it makes it easier for you to find anything wrong. I'll just continue finishing up the wiring here, and then get the door cards put in position. Alright guys, well thanks for tuning in again. We'll endeavour to put a few more videos up soon, and keep on keeping on.